Ahoy, shipmates, Facebookers. That's all. Captain Jack here. Big Bones the parrot there. His girlfriend there. Every kind of duck in the world over here. Got ducks all over the place. And Ginny's over there. So, just a short video. Ginny and Terri took their mother-daughter week, mother-daughter holiday, whatever it's called. And we're down in Galveston, which they like. And I was stationed in Galveston for many, many, many years. So it's fun to go back, I guess, and see what's changed. This is just an outtake here. One of the drilling rigs was going to sea, and you don't often have a chance to photograph that. So they got a whole mess of film about the rig coming across and going out. One mistake was made by Terri when she says that tug is her sole power. No, this is a shallow water jackup rig, and she has her own propulsion. She has engines in both pontoons. The back two legs are powered, and she's pushing herself out. They go real quick because they want to get to deeper water and less congested water. As soon as they clear the South Jetty Light, then it's not as much congestion. So here's that video. This is just a part of it. This is them seeing the drill rig as they're on the ferry, and they're watching the drill rig come down. So until next time, Captain Jack, Billy Bones the parrot, bunch of ducks and everything, and Ginny saying adios, adios.
And look at this. This is a rig, and he is underway, going into the coast. That is something to see.
Yes, that's unusual. I've never seen it. Never seen it.
Yep. This is the mouth, isn't it? Feeding off the bark. That is the sound of people feeding the gulls off the front of the boat, which is actually against the rules.
Well, actually, nobody's feeding them.
Oh.
They just see us all.
And you see the tug.
It's amazing how fast he's moving.
It is. And so that pilot boat we saw was actually his pilot.
Yep. Yep. I know he's not, but it looks like he's going to go right down the middle of it.
I think that's enough of that. There it is. That is his sole propulsion. It's that tugboat. guess it's not tugging, but there's Seawolf Park. And there's a dolphin. There's a dolphin in his wake, on his bow of that rig.